What's up, everybody? Chris here from GuitArmy. And today I want to show you something that can seriously clean up your stage setup, your rehearsal setup, and even your home practice setup. This is the Donner CV-3 wireless in-ear monitoring system. If you've ever been tired of dealing with cables everywhere, struggling to hear yourself during rehearsal, or you just want a more professional monitoring setup without spending a fortune, this thing is definitely worth checking out. So in this video, I'm going to show you what it does and why I think this could be really useful for guitar players, singers, drummers, and bands in general. I'm considering this to be a paid promotion. I didn't receive any money or anything for the video, but I did get the product for free, and all thoughts and opinions are my own. All right, so I'm going to do a quick unboxing. It obviously comes in a box. Inside, you get this nice carrying case. It's very nice. It's got a zipper on it, which is nice. Very nice compact carrying case. Inside, you're going to get a manual. And this is what it looks like inside. You have the item right there, your receiver and transmitter right there. And then over here, you have some netting, and you get some different things in here. I opened one or two of them, but I haven't all of them. So you get a USB charger here. You have two, I guess this is USB-A probably on this side, and two USB-C connectors, chargers. So that way you can charge both the receiver and the transmitter at the same time. And here we have, what we have here is basically 1/4 inch to an 1/8 inch. So what you do with that is I take the transmitter here, I plug that in here. Then basically I can go from an 1/8 inch out, whether it's an iPhone or whatever you're going out of. Like I can take this out of my Blue Yeti microphone here that I'm not using now, but I do for like my lessons. I can go out of that right into the transmitter and then send it right over here to the receiver. All right, so you have that. And next we have the 1/4 inch to XLR. So we can do the same thing that I did with the 1/8 inch. So that's pretty nice. So what's really nice about this is that you can go a 1/4 inch, or you can go, if I put it here, if you go, XLR out, and you might use this on your mixer or your soundboard to go out. And then you also can do the 1/8 inch. So to me, that's really important because then all of a sudden, you have a lot of different options. So that was the unboxing. That's what you get when you purchase this. First off, one of the biggest things I noticed right away is how compact and lightweight the system is. The receiver is super small and clips right onto your belt or your waistband. It's made out of a zinc alloy, so it feels solid and durable, but it's still really lightweight. That's important because the last thing you want on stage is something bulky that's going to pulling on your belt and moving around while you're playing guitar. And setup is actually really simple. You've got your transmitter hooked into the mixer, PA system, audio interface, electric drums, whatever you want to monitor it from. And then the receiver sends the signal wirelessly straight to your in-ear headphones. No giant rack setup, no complicated menus, no massive tangle of cables, which is great. Now let's talk about the sound quality, because honestly, that's the most important thing. The Donner CV-3 uses a 192 kilohertz professional audio sampling rate with a 24-bit audio depth. And what that basically means is you get really clear and detailed sound with very low distortion. For guitar players, that matters a lot. Especially if you're using gain, effects, delays, reverbs, or backing tracks, you really want to actually hear the detail and dynamics in your playing. And I was honestly impressed with how clean this sounded. Another really important thing is latency. If you've ever used a wireless gear with too much delay, you know how weird that feels. It almost throws off your timing. The good thing here is the latency is under 6 milliseconds, so it feels basically instant while you're playing. I tested this while recording riffs and solos, and it felt very natural. Another cool feature is the color screen on the receiver. It gives you real-time audio visualization and makes everything really easy to see quickly while you're rehearsing or performing. A lot of budget wireless systems have tiny, confusing displays, but this one is actually really easy to use. You can also switch between mono and stereo modes, which is awesome depending on your setup. If you're just monitoring vocals or a simple mix, mono works great. But if you want a wider stereo image for guitar tracks, backing tracks, keyboards, or full mixes, you can switch it over to stereo. Now let's talk about wireless performance. This system uses a 2.4 gigahertz wireless frequency band that automatically searches for the clearest channel to help minimize interference. And the range is up to 100 feet. So whether you're rehearsing with your band, playing on stage, teaching lessons, or moving around your studio, you've got plenty of room to move without worrying about losing the signal. That freedom honestly makes a huge difference compared to being tied down with cables everywhere. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do an outdoors range test on this product. And I have my laptop here, and I have some iTunes. I'm going to be going out here with the 1/8-inch jack. And, it's going into here, and then it's going to get sent over to here. And I'm going to have this on me as I'm out walking around. So I'm going to be listening to some Dawkins and Mr. Scary. So I'm going to have this here. You can see that the headphones there are working, so I'm getting audio. So now I'm going to go out into the yard and see how far I can go out into the yard and still hear it. All right, so I'm out here, I'm listening to my Dawkins. What I'm gonna do is, if I can still hear the music, I'm gonna put my hands up in the air. That way you know I'm still hearing it. All right, let's see how far I can go. Battery life is another big plus. The built-in rechargeable batteries give you up to 10 hours of use on a single charge. That's more than enough for rehearsals, gigs, church performances, live streams, studio sessions, pretty much whatever you're doing. And because it's rechargeable, you don't have to constantly buy batteries all the time. One thing I really like is how compatible this system is with basically everything. You've got a 1/4 inch, an 1/8 inch, and XLR connectivity. You cannot plug your guitar directly into the CV-3. Don't try it. You can use this with mixers, PA systems, electronic drums, amp modelers, audio interfaces, computers, phones, music players, pretty much anything that is audio related. That makes it really flexible when you're a guitarist, singer, drummer, worship musician, content creator, or home studio musician. In this section, I'm going to talk about how do I actually use this? I've been offered to do a lot of in-ear monitor systems, and I've kind of passed on them because I don't have any in-ear monitors, and almost all of them, use XLR out, so you're plugging it into like a board, a mixer. So that's why I've kind of passed on them. So this was the first one that I saw that it had a 1/4 inch TRS connection. So what I was able to do is plug it right into my Focusrite and then go out of that and then go right into any ear. Like I said, I don't have any inner ear monitors. So I just use my Apple earbuds because this is what I use for doing lessons, and that works fantastic. So the big benefit to me is while I'm sitting here doing a video, I'm always using amp plugins. So when I have the microphone going and I'm using a plug-in, I can't hear the guitar. Because I'm not monitoring it in my ears. I can't have it coming out of my the monitors here because then it's going to get picked up into the mic. So this is a wireless way that I can, have my earbuds running into my ears so I can hear the guitar while I'm playing, which is going to make it a lot nicer. Another thing I do is when I'm teaching guitar lessons, I have my Blue Yeti microphone over here and I run my earbuds kind of underneath the guitar neck while I'm playing. And it's kind of annoying because a lot of times I'll put my hand down and it'll catch on the wire. So it ends up pulling the microphone forward. It's kind of annoying. So this way, since you do have the ability to do out to an 1/8 inch, so I just plug this into my Yeti microphone and then I run it wirelessly and I just attach this to my back pocket and run it up the back into my ears. I'm going to get some nice in-ear monitors, but for now, the Apple earbuds is working just fine. So that's the 2 use cases that I've immediately found extremely useful. Another thing I want to mention is the first time I get any kind of gear, I just take it right out of the box and I plug it in and see, can I use it without using the manual or anything? And I was able to really within seconds. I basically turned it on, plugged it in, made sure that both of them were, on the same channel. And, I put my earbuds in and it sounded perfect. I was actually surprised at how clear and loud it was. You are able to adjust the volume on it, but it worked. It worked instantly with no knowledge of what I was doing. To me, that's a fantastic product. So overall, I think the Donner CV-3 is a really solid option if you want to get into wireless in-ear monitoring without spending a crazy amount of money. You get clear professional sound, very low latency, good wireless range, stereo and mono modes, long battery life, and a really portable setup. For practicing, rehearsing, performing live, or even content creation, this thing is super useful. If you want to check it out, I will put the product link down below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my guitar courses and membership over at GuitArmy. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.